Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'm going to install a free plugin which will help you customize the checkout page in a WooCommerce website. The name of the plugin is FunnelKit, funnel builder for WooCommerce Checkout. You can see that this plugin has been installed on more than 40,000 WordPress websites. Using this plugin, you can customize the checkout page in a WooCommerce website. You can add express checkout, Google address autocomplete, international phone field. You can also add mini cart or order bump in a checkout page. You can also use one-click upsell in a checkout funnel. In one of the previous videos, I have shown you how you can create a sales funnel in a WordPress or a WooCommerce website using the FunnelKit plugin. If you want to watch this video, I'll give you the link in the description box. Now in this video, we are going to customize the checkout page in your WooCommerce website. This plugin has free as well as a premium version. So I'm going to start with the free plugin and later I'm going to install the pro version of the plugin and I'll show you what is the difference between the free and the pro plugin. The regular price of the pro version is only $129 per year for a single website. There is a discount going on in which you will get this plugin for $99.5 per year for a single website. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So let's go to the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo WooCommerce website. Let's go to plugins and click on add new plugin. And here search for FunnelKit. This is the plugin FunnelKit Funnel Builder for WooCommerce Checkout. This is the free version of the plugin and I have already installed the free version of the plugin. And when you install this plugin, you will see FunnelKit option in the left hand panel. So let's go to FunnelKit. Under FunnelKit, you will see settings option. In the previous video, I have already shown you what are the basic settings of this plugin. You can watch that video. Now let's go to store checkout. We are going to customize the checkout page. Here you will see different templates are available. Some templates are available for the pro version and some of them are available for the free version also. So you can select the free version template and using the template, you can customize the checkout page. If you want, you can also start from the scratch. However, I'll suggest you to start using a template. Here I can see that we have one template available for the free version. So let's click on preview and let's see how does this look. This template has only two steps, the checkout page and the thank you page. And at the top, you will see checkout steps. This will be only a single page checkout. If you want to create a multi-step checkout page, you need to go for the pro version of the plugin. So this is how the checkout page will look. At the top, we have shipping information, then shipping method, order summary, then we have payment gateways, place order button. In the right hand column, you can add some information. If you want to customize it, you can also customize this layout. And after that, we have the thank you page. This is how the thank you page will look. Let's close it. Let's try another one. This is also a free one. In this template, we have three steps. However, the second step, which is one-click upsell, is not available for the free version. So if you have a pro version, you can add this step. Later, I'll show you how you can use this step using the pro version. Now, this is the thank you page and this is the checkout page. Again, we have express checkout, shipping information, shipping method, order summary and payment. This is going to be order bump. However, that is also not available for the free version. So let's try using this template. Let's see how does this look. So click on import this template and you need to enter the name for this template. So I'm going to name it as checkout demo 1. Click on done. All right, so you will see the steps here. At the top, we have checkout, one-click upsell offer, which is not available for the free, and then thank you page. Now let's click on checkout. Here you will see edit template. So you can customize it. Let's open edit template. And here you will see checkout forms fields. So these fields will be shown on the checkout page. Under shipping information, we have email, first name, last name, shipping address, billing address, and phone. Then we have shipping method, order summary, and payment gateways. If you want to add new section, you can click on add new section and you can add a new section. Here we have some fields which you can add. Now let's go to the checkout page. This is how the checkout page will look. On this website, I'm using Elementor as a page builder. There are multiple page builders which are supported by this plugin. All right, so at the top we have logo. Here you can click on it and you can change the logo. You can add your own logo. I have some images. I'm going to use this logo. So you will see the logo is changed. At the top we have 1000 customers. This is just the information on the checkout page. You can customize it. It is very easy to customize the layout. Whatever element you want to add on the checkout page, you can add it. Like here we have icon list, then we have edit rating option. You can change the rating. Right now it shows 4.5. Let's make it 5 and you will see 5-star reviews. Below that we have this checkout form. And if you want to customize it, again you can use the Elementor basic customization settings. In this case I'm using the Elementor, that's why it shows all the Elementor fields in the left hand column. So I can select this checkout form and I can customize it from here. Collapsible order summary, shipping information. You will see all these options are there. Then we have order summary, payment gateways and checkout buttons. Here you will see place order. It shows it here. If you want to change that text, you can change it. At the top you will see style settings, and from here you can change the style settings of the form of the checkout page. So you will see checkout form, primary content color or link color. You can change the color and you will see the change in the color here. So it is very easy to customize the style settings of the checkout page. So once you are done with the changes, you can click on publish and those changes will be applied to this page. Let's go back. So this is about the first step, that is the checkout page. Let's go back. Then we have order bump, which is again not available in the free version. The second step will be excluded and it will go to the third page, that is thank you page. So after placing the order, it will redirect to the thank you page. Let's click on thank you page and let's see how does this look. Click on edit template. And this is how the thank you page will look. We have thank you, the name of the customer, the order is confirmed, the email address of the customer, then we have customer details, and below that we have some offers that will be running on the website. You can customize it, you can add your own offers there. Again, you can change the logo. Click on it and change the logo like this. In the right hand column we have the order details. If I click on plus sign here, you will see different elements that we can add on the thank you page, and you can also customize the style settings of this page. Once you are done with the changes, click on publish and those changes will be applied to the thank you page. Let's go back. So we have two steps in this checkout form layout. Now here you will see an option, enable store checkout. Let me go to the checkout page. This is the current checkout page and I'm going to enable the new checkout page. So let's click on it, enable. And now let's go to checkout page and refresh it. And now you will see the new checkout page is applied. So this is how the new checkout page will look. At the top we have shipping information, then we have order summary, payment. On this demo website I have only cash on delivery, so I can select it and after that I can place the order and it will go to the thank you page. So there are many different pre-designed templates that you can use to customize the checkout page on your WooCommerce website using the free FunnelKit plugin. Now I do have the pro version of the plugin, so I'm going to install the pro version of the plugin and I'll show you how we can add order bumps and one-click upsell offer in a WooCommerce funnel. So let's go to plugins. I have already installed the pro version of the plugin. You will see it here. So I'm going to activate the plugin. And when you install this plugin, you will need to enter the license key so that it will activate the pro version of the plugin. So let's go to FunnelKits again and go to store checkout. Now we are using the pro version of the plugin. So this is the layout that we are using. So I'm going to delete this one and we are going to add another template. So let's click on delete. So we have deleted this WooCommerce template. Now we are going to use another one. Here we have 3 steps, which will include the one-click upsell. You will see now we have access to all these templates as we are using the pro version of the plugin. So let's try this one. Click on preview. So we have checkout page, one-click upsell and thank you page. For the checkout page, now we can create a 3-step checkout page. This is the one page where we have express checkout, contact information, shipping address, shipping method, payment, and order bump. If I select 2, this is 2-step checkout page. Here you will see next step. Once you fill up the information, it will go to next step, and on the next step we have payment information. If I go to 3 steps, the first step will be contact information and shipping address, then we have shipping details and payment. Then we have one-click upsell. This is how the one-click upsell will look. Here you can promote one of your best-selling products. If the customer wants to add that product in the order, they can click on it and it will add the product automatically and it will make a purchase automatically. Below that you will see no thanks. If the customer is not interested, then they can click on no thanks and it will not add that product and it will go directly to the thank you page. And this is how the thank you page will look. Again, you can customize all these pages. So I'm going to use this one. Click on import this funnel and let's name it as checkout page. All right, you will see 3 steps are there. Click on done. All right, now you will see we have 3 steps. This is the first one, second one, and third one. Let's click on checkout. Let me close all the other windows. Let's click on checkout. If you want, you can use 1 step, 2 step, or 3 steps. So I'm going to use 3 steps and save it. And let's edit the template. All right, so again, you can customize the template. If you want to change the style settings, you can select that block or element and change the style settings. For example, we have it, this your cart option. So I'm going to go to style. I'll go to style settings. And from here, I can change the typography. You will see the change in the color. If I go to products, customize the product style settings. Then we have coupon. It will show the coupon option there. And cart total. This is the cart total. Again, you can customize the color settings. So whichever page builder is installed on your WordPress website, you can use that page builder to customize these pages. At the top, we have this logo. So I'm going to change the logo again. You can upload your own logo. And if you do not want this layout, you can change the layout. If you do not want this section, you can delete it. Or if you want to add more information or sections, you can add the sections. Right, once you are done with the changes, click on publish. Let's close it. Let's go back. And here we have order bump. So let's open the order bump. I'm going to add one product as order bump. Click on add product. Let's select for one product. I have some demo products here, so I'm going to use one of them. This one is basic gray jeans. Price is $150. Click on add. And this is how the order bump will look. You can again change the skin or the layout for the order bump. You will see different templates are there. So I'm going to keep this same layout. At the top, you will see call to action text and description. This is the description. You will see it here. So if you want to change it, you can change description and you will see the image of the product. So this is the order bump. Let's click on save. Now let's go back and here you will see upsell offer. So I'm going to click on upsell. If I go to settings, you will see 2 options: merge with the main order or create a new order. By default, this option is selected. So it is going to add that product to the existing order. Then we have prices. Show prices with taxes. Then we have confirmation message and request card update on upsell failure. Let's go back. Let's click on offer. Now first we will need to add a product. So let's go to products and click on add product. I'm going to add another product for the upsell. Let's try this product. Click on add. So this product will be shown on the upsells page. All right, again, you will see different settings are there. Let's go to design for this upsell page and click on edit template. All right, now you will see the product is there. This is the short description and the price of the product. If you want, you can customize this page. Once you are done with the changes, click on publish. Let's go back. Let's go to the next page, that is thank you page. Again, if you want to change the layout of the thank you page, or if you want to change the style settings, you can make changes. Now let's click on enable store checkout. So this is the new layout that we are going to use for the checkout. If I go back, now let's go to checkout and refresh it. And you will see the new layout for the checkout page. It is going to be 3-page layout. This is the contact information, shipping address. I have some dummy address here and I can use the same address as a billing address. Click on proceed to next step. On the next step, we have shipping information and click on proceed to final step. That is going to be your payment gateway. And on this final step, you will see this order bump. So if I want to buy it, I can simply click on it and it is going to add that product automatically in the cart. So this is the order bump product. And here you see coupon code. If there is any coupon code, I can enter the coupon code and get a discount. Now here we have 2 payment gateways. I'm going to select cash on delivery, click on place order, and it will go to the one-click upsell page. So this is the one-click upsell product. And you will see the information of this product on the page. The price of this product is $150. And let's say I want to add this product to my orders. I'm going to click on add this to my order and it is going to update the order and it is going to make a purchase automatically with all these products. Here you will see the one-click upsell product is added to the cart and it has made the transaction automatically. So it is a one-click upsell and this is the thank you page. So using the pro version of the plugin, we are able to create a multi-step checkout page. We are also able to add order bump as well as one-click upsell in a WooCommerce checkout funnel. So if you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.